We are going out here to the Counts Customs bus right here. Counts Customs at my shop, bringing their cool fans over here to see my cool stuff. That's how me and Danny do it. We trade. We trade our fans back and forth. And we're all kind of the same guys around here, so it's kind of fun. But anyway, I'm gonna go over here and shake some hands and talk to a few people real quick. Hi.
How are you? Good to meet you.
How you doing today?
Grab the bar.
Good, good. You wanna get a picture?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on in. Who's next? How are you?
Hi, Steve.
How are you?
Dear Todd.
Good. How about yourself?
I'm good. Hey, how are you?
Europe.
Europe.
Yes.
Croatia.
Croatia?
Yeah.
Holy cow, we got you guys from everywhere.
Everywhere.
Thank you. Hi, where are you from?
North Carolina.
Oh, North Carolina. Yeah, come on in here.
Yeah, man. Just hanging out.
Yay.
All right. Hi.
Hey,
how you doing?
I'm good.
They're South Carolina crowd.
Yeah. That's always the new shop.
Thank you.
Thank you. Be about,
sign my hat.
sure. It's probably about 35 minutes. It's not that far from here.
So you ain't got holes in these boots yet?
Not in these ones yet. I've been so damn busy, I haven't had time to drill holes in them.
I got you. Cool. Thank you, brother.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
All right, sweetheart. Thank you, guys. Thanks for coming today. We're just doing YouTube.
Gotcha.
Yeah, doing YouTube. So just follow our YouTube channel. I've been busy moving, so I've just been.
Are you moving from this location, man?
Yeah, eventually. I mean, I'm gonna keep this for till the end of the year. Hi.
How you doing, Steve?
What's happening, buddy?
I'm Andy Franklin. I'm out of Northern Virginia.
Northern Virginia.
Yeah.
You too?
Yeah.
Just we could sign it right here where you can kind of see it.
Sure, that's perfect.
Giveaway starts today, right? Did you post it on social media?
I didn't.
Do you even know today? Okay.
I didn't.
I
I
just want to
didn't.
make sure before I have these people sign up.
I don't. Don't sign up.
Don't sign up if you don't want to give away your phone. I think it's a good one.
Man. Thank you so much, Steve.
You got it, brother. Thanks for coming today.
You were
Appreciate
actually the
it.
reason why I ended up buying my old truck. I got a 63 Chevy C10 that's all patinaed out. I've been watching your show for a
Oh,
long
yeah?
time, dude. So yeah.
You get it. What are you doing with it? You slamming it around the ground?
It's kind of slammed right now, but like it's just been lowered 6 inches. But I'd like to do that. She knows how much shit costs. you know how it is, right? So, yeah.
When you're building something, you got to kind of like just put all that aside.
Yeah.
And be like, listen, when it's over, we'll talk about it.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, the first time you got a picture with a dude instead of a girl.
Oh, man. I do appreciate it.
You got it. Thanks for coming, man. Come on in here.
Cool, man.
All right, I better get my truck and get out of here. Good to meet you guys. Oh, yeah, I'll get your trash done. I got to move the forklift anyway. What's up, guys? Oh, yeah, you're going to have fun in the life of. Poor bastard. Your arms are going to be this big around from carrying that camera. I'm going to grab the garbage real quick. Now we're going to head over to Curtis Steel and do a little appearance over there. So we're going to take the power wagon over there and hang out. Have some fun. Go see some people. We are here at Curtis Steel, which is it's been around a long time. My dad owned this company, Economy Steel, in the all through the late 70s, 80s, 90s till about the middle 2000s. And then he sold. Curtis Steel's been around at least that long, and they're still in business. My good friend Ronnie works here, and he puts on these little get-togethers like they used to do back in the old days. You could show up at the steel yards and the different companies around town, and they'd have like an appreciation day. So that's what they're doing here, and we've got a few other cars that are going to show up out here today, and you know, hang out, eat a few hot dogs, have some hamburgers, bullshit about the good old days, how hard Shangs used to be. All right, let's just do some walking. Get a picture of our shirts.
I gotta make sure like nothing's said wrong.
Who are these guys right here?
Precision Tube Laser. Big customer of ours. Pretty cool shit.
That's sweet.
Pretty dope shit. Dope ass machines. All kind of dope shit.
Wow. Wow. Oh shit. God damn, drop that on your toe.
Yeah, you'll only want to do that once.
Yeah, that's sick.
We went through airport security with them.
Really?
Yeah, they weren't too happy. TSA goes, what the f is that?
See, you don't let me through, this will be your mama. You guys just cut out whole jobs and then you just put it all, send it out to guys, and they put it all together?
Yeah, so we're a job shop here, but we distribute parts all across the country. Less than 5% of our total business is local, so we're making parts for companies all across the country, all day, every day.
Yeah, I definitely like to come check you guys out. I'll get with Ronnie. We'll come over.
Yeah, I'm my man.
He's my friend. We hang out.
Yeah,
He's cool shit. I know.
Some people like.
I try not to hang out with him, but
Yeah, you're always welcome.
Walk around before it gets.
yeah, let's go do this real quick. All right, we're here today at Curtis Steel. They're doing a customer appreciation day, and I wanted to walk you guys through this steel yard. All right. We'll just wander through, talk about it a little bit. Okay. Damn. Whew. That's a heavy son of a bitch right there. That is heavy. Did you guys eat a taco? Let's do it. Let's eat some tacos. We'll do a taco, we'll hang out for a minute, and then we'll get fucking ready to roll. What's up, brother?
Hey, sir.
How are you, man?
What's going on?
Oh, man, same old shit.
I made this smaller. I'm trying to create a movement. I'm trying to promote group grilling.
Oh, yeah.
So, you know, so wherever they go, they can grill with more people. So this one's more solo grilling.
Right.
This one is more like two
For
or
some
three.
people.
Yeah. So I'm trying to make sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And in this one, I normally grill without the hole. So sometimes I have 2 people grilling here, 3 people grilling here, you know? So.
Your house is probably the spot to go grill because you're like testing them out all the time.
Well, if I'm grilling at my house, I have a gas grill. But the problem is, I'm grilling, people are like, hey, when's it gonna be done? Because I never get started on time.
Right,
I'm always
right.
late. So when I go out, you know, wherever, like my family's house or wherever, then I bring this and then we grill over there.
Right, right.
You know?
Thank
So
you.
we're here to support you guys.
Well, we appreciate you giving us those grills.
Of course, whatever you need, just let us know.
All right.
Help you out.
Thank you. Good Springs, we're gonna do like this desert cleanup. Yeah. They're just gonna drive around, pick up trash in the desert.
Okay. What time?
6 in the morning.
Okay. I'm actually going to drive.
Load up tonight or tomorrow night. Be out there early.
Okay. All right. I'll hit you up. All right, brother.
Thanks. Safe. You too, brother. And I wanted to walk you guys through this steel yard. In here, I grew up in a steel yard just about like this. This in here is all structural steel.